Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's MRCs. So today we shall be doing some data analysis. We shall be trying to extract information from some employee data. So we are given a list of email addresses, and our task is to extract the first name. So basically, if we start with John Storm, so this video will only cover the first name, then the second video will cover the last name, given that it's a bit tricky to pull it out. So this I won't delay. We can start. So basically, here we shall use a combination of functions or formulas, and we shall be able to achieve something that is presentable. So given that our table has an email address, then we have employee ID and first name. So we can start. So this is what we are looking for. So basically we shall use the following. We shall use the left function, then we shall use the search, then we shall also use the proper. So basically that's what we shall use to achieve our objective. So we can start with if you use the left function, let me give an example. Left, and we try to open. They tell us that the text, okay, this is what I'm looking for. Then they're saying that text is the string containing the characters you want to extract. So in this email address, I want to extract something. I want to extract the first name. Then they are telling me the number of characters. It specifies how many characters you want left to extract one if omitted. Obviously, in this case, I think we need the first 4 characters. But again, when you're working with large volumes of data, you may need to reconsider. For example, this name has 4 characters. Then when you try to look at Debbie has 5 characters. Joe has 3 characters. So that means this formula, when we try to fill handle, it will not manage. It may not fulfill our objective. So I can first leave it there for now. It gives us John as the first character. But now we have to look for this position. So we shall use the search function. So I can just put it here briefly. So I can say these are called helper cells. I can try to search. So it tells you find text. So what are you searching? When you try to notice all these email addresses, what separates the first name from the second name, it's a point or a full stop. So I want it to search for me that point. Then within which text. So I want it to within that text to get. So it tells me that in this email address, this point or full stop, it's the fifth. When you try to count in this email, you will notice that John is 4 characters, then the point is the fifth. Then what happens next? It's they tell us is the character number within the text. You get counting from the left. So it is counting from the left. So it counts to the full stop. It counts to the full stop. So we can leave that. Then that means it's a 5. But when we are extracting up to, we are extracting -1, minus the full stop. So that means the only way we can make this a 4 is by subtracting. We subtract 1. So we shall have a 4. So that means it ends, when it is extracting, it ends before the full stop. Then we shall copy this. We shall copy this. Then we come in our formula, this. Then we shall replace it with this. Remember, this also gives me a 4. So basically, that's what I have. And when I press enter, it will give me this. So that means when I fill handle this up to here, you see that it gives me the first names. It extracts to the point before the full stop. Now this is good. But remember, these are people's names. They always have to start with either uppercase. It's a proper. So what we do, I can go back here. Then you introduce another function. It's called proper. Yeah, it's called proper. Then we open the brackets. It just makes the text proper. Basically, that's what it does. Then you press enter. So you will see that John now starts with an uppercase. Then once I fill handle, I've I think we have now reached the end of the video. So basically that's it. So our formula is that I've tried my best to break it down. So these are functions. These may be functions slash formula. But for purposes of learning, I think when you're watching this video, I can remove this. And there we go. So please don't miss out on our second video where we shall be extracting the second name. You see, now we have to balance. I don't know how even to explain it, but we shall work on it. So basically, that is it. That is it for today. Otherwise, if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section and we shall work upon it. Have a nice day. Thank you so much. Okay, let me save.